Did you know Hiccups once got so fed up with being annoying that they started their own therapy group? It all began with Harold, a particularly persistent hiccup living in a college student's diaphragm. After being blamed for ruining yet another first date, Harold called an emergency meeting. Soon, sneezes showed up complaining about being covered by elbows, burps vented about dinner table shame, and yawns shared their frustration with being called rude. They met weekly in various body cavities, sharing their deepest insecurities. But then they discovered something shocking. Humans actually needed them desperately. Sneezes protected against germs, burps relieved dangerous gas buildup, yawns helped regulate brain temperature. So they staged coordinated demonstrations to prove their worth. Harold organized perfectly timed interruptions during stressful moments, teaching people proper breathing. Soon, Hiccups became certified life coaches, helping millions manage stress through strategic respiratory interruptions. Today, Harold runs a successful wellness practice from a yoga instructor's diaphragm. Who knew the most annoying body function would become the most helpful therapist?